Since borders shut down in 2020, we have been living out of this retired ambulance exploring Canada and the USA. This summer, we built a tiny home out of a shed, wrote a book, and now, as international borders are opening up, it's time to go. But where to first? I got paint and like drywall sheetrock 90 all over this water bottle still. Good morning. So thank God we actually finished this build the other day because it has actually become our home now, considering our van is at the mechanic. We brought it there yesterday because we have to get it safetied. We've been in this province for the threshold, so we have to get it registered in this province, which is Ontario, and right now it's registered in BC. Honestly, yesterday was pretty stressful because, yeah, we took it to the mechanic and we thought it was going to be like no problem, but we have like $2,000 of repairs that need to be done to the van, and we were not expecting that. They're all like normal things, like we have bulbs out, the e-brake is like stuck and not really working properly and stuff, just like stuff that we should expect after having a vehicle for 2 years. There's obviously going to be stuff that needs to be repaired and all that, but it's still a bummer getting a quote from someone and him being like, yeah, it's going to be at least $2,000. I'm like, I'm sorry, it's gonna be what? We're actually leaving for a trip in like 4 days, I'm pretty sure. And I have to prepare everything because Nick is working right up until that day. So he's like working an 11-hour today, I think 14-hour tomorrow. So he's working a lot, and I just have like a lot of shit to get sorted. So come with me this week, and I'm really excited to start traveling again. I can't even process it right now because there's just so much going on, but we'll figure it out together, so let's go. So as many of you know, I've been working all summer on this tiny home build, which we will be showing you very soon, as well as a digital product that I am so excited to show you today. It's for absolute beginners. It's over 70 pages long, and it is just jam-packed with all the information that has been sitting on my head and on my computer. Some of that stuff includes worksheets that will help you decide where you even want to move abroad in the first place. So I did it. I finished the ebook that I've been working on, well, all summer, and now summer is over, so it only feels right that it's finished. And I launched it, and it was really, honestly, kind of nerve-wracking, really exciting, and just mostly a surreal feeling because yeah, I've been putting my heart and soul into this book, making sure that it's all accurate this whole time that we've been building the tiny shed, and I just feel like everything has just been a whirlwind. But speaking of whirlwinds, I would love to celebrate that right now, but I don't have time to celebrate that right now because we are leaving the country in like 3 days, and I still have stuff to do. So Nick is working 14 hours today. I am going to I have to return some stuff that I bought from Wayfair for the shed that we didn't use. I don't want the return window to close. And then I have to print off some documents because then I'm going to go to CAA to get us our international driving permits, and hopefully they can process those in the next 3 days. Usually it should only take 24 hours, but you know, with COVID, everything's been different for the past couple of years. So let's go. And so first I have to return these guys. Okay, I just walked out of CAA, and we have our international driving permits. They process it right then and there, so that is awesome. Nick is gonna be so thrilled because now he doesn't have to take any time off work. It's all just done. And I am headed back to, I don't even know what's next on the agenda. Very attractive.
So it's official. My work week is done. We are leaving in less than 24 hours. We stopped at the store this morning to grab a few things that will keep us a little bit warmer. That might give you a hint on where we might be going. I'm getting this turtleneck in white this time so that Rachel and I can each wear a turtleneck at the same time, and this way they're different. But we got our sweet new carry-on bags, and we're so excited to start packing because we're leaving in less than 24 hours, so come pack with us. We are going to try to fit all of this stuff into our carry-on bags. You think if I tape it, they'll let me take it like this?
Yeah.
I work as a mover. We tape stuff like this all the time. I just tape it shut. Ow! Oh. Throw it in the back of the truck. We'll just chuck it on the plane like this. We'll just tape it. It'll be fun.
Oh, perfect. We're so grateful to Monos who sent us 2 new carry-on bags. We got the carry-on hybrid in colors Obsidian and Champagne. So we have our carry-on luggage. We're gonna try to fit everything in carry-on bags so that we don't have to check any luggage onto the plane. We're only going for 8 days, so hopefully we can do that in these carry-on bags.
So I guess all their suitcases come with a sweet little thank you note. This one says, "Dear friend, this suitcase is more than just an empty vessel for your belongings. It's an expression of our philosophy on traveling and living well, simply, thoughtfully, mindfully, beautifully. So, journey on. We can't wait to experience the world with you." Thanks.
Live simply! Okay, so every item that I put in, this is my game plan. Every item that I put in, I'm gonna try to decide. I think I'm gonna have to maybe pack twice.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go through every item and decide while I have it in my hands whether I think it's essential or not. Also, if you haven't gathered this, where we're going is going to be cold. So, like not freezing cold, but significantly cold. So I'm trying to bring this like, first of all, I'm bringing ridiculous stuff, but I just love it so much. Like I want to wear this big fur, obviously faux fur, okay? We're vegan on this channel. I want to bring this faux fur coat because I think it's so cute. But I'll wear that on the plane. And then I have this puffer, which would be great to bring, but this tiny little bag. So I think I'm gonna try to put it in this and then pack this in there.
I did it. That's the coat. It wasn't that hard. You just have to roll some more sleeping bags.
Like really, let's be real. Who do you think that when we go camping, our whole life is camping, I guess. Who do you honestly think rolls the sleeping bags? Because we all know it's not me. So this morning I woke up to a message from the tourism board of where we're going. This is what she said to pack. Ready? We'll do a roll call, okay? Light inner socks.
Yep.
Thick socks.
Nope.
But you don't have any.
No.
Hiking pants. Yeah, those are hiking pants. Long sleeve shirt.
Oh yeah, 2.
Flip flops.
No.
Good mood.
We'll see.
She literally put good mood on the packing list and it actually made my day. So just sorting out some last minute emails here, adding contacts onto WhatsApp for some of the people that we are meeting there. I'm not like really scared about like something going wrong with the plane. Like I'm not scared of like plane crashes and stuff like that. That's not anxiety for me. It's just kind of like, I don't know. I just always hope that everything goes well, right? Like you try to pack everything and do everything your best and make sure you're not forgetting everything. And then once you're there, like there's no turning back, really. I mean, there is. There's always turning back, but you know what I mean. Okay.
Ready to go? We almost missed, like we felt like we were almost gonna miss everything. We were trying to figure out like where all the buses came and all of that. So it's been a little hectic, but we finally gotten a chance to show you guys. We're on the bus now, leaving Hamilton. This one takes us right to the airport so we can sit back, relax, and we should be at our flight early enough to do the same thing, relax and not worry about missing it. Although we do have a 2-hour layover at our next stop, because there is a layover. So hopefully that's enough time. An hour, 40 minutes actually. Hopefully that's enough time. We'll see.
To leave the bus.
His voice is so loud.
In the designated areas and stay off bus drive. N'oubliez pas vos objets personnels.
I think the French is louder.
Presto avant de descendre de l'autobus. Par mesure de sécurité, ne circulez que dans
Like I'm just like, it just is like finally, like it's like a relief that we're finally traveling again. It feels like natural.
Surely we're not gonna be the people that just stand on this thing.
Why not?
This is ridiculous.
I'm glad that we're here early. Rachel was just saying that she overheard that I guess people in the lobby are being like turned away or something, or like their bags are being turned away because they're not meeting the requirements, or anyways, I'm just glad that we're here early. We're in. It's not something we have to stress about. Also, they've been calling over the loudspeaker for somebody with like this deep red bag for like an hour and no one has come to get it. So it's also very concerning that you lose your bag in an airport.
Clear skies at temperature 5 degrees. I'd like to thank you for traveling with us today. We hope that you enjoy the rest of your day and safe travels of your opportunity.
Stand back. The doors are closing.
I have to go. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. Vede l'ora.
Here!
Pretty cool.
We made it to Estonia! I am standing right here beside the Baltic Sea and we are in beautiful Estonia, which neither of us have been to before. Actually, we've never been to Europe together before. So we've made it. It was kind of a last minute crazy trip that all came together in the past couple of weeks. And we can't wait to share what we're gonna be getting up to here. So stay tuned for the next video to find out, and thanks for watching.